Welcome back to Teknobalta. Today, we are tackling a frustrating issue in PUBG where the game demands a client update that does not seem to exist. We at Teknobalta analyzed this specific error and found that it usually stems from a version mismatch between your local files and the live servers. This error often manifests as a freeze on the loading screen or a direct pop-up stating you need to update the game client. Even if TslGame shows no pending downloads, the game's internal manifest might be corrupted. Let us dive into the root cause analysis of why this happens on a technical level. When PUBG launches, it checks the local version hash against the server's expected value. If even one small configuration file is outdated or corrupted, the handshake fails, resulting in this error. Before we start the main fix, we need to perform some essential pre-checks on your PC. First, ensure that your Windows operating system is fully up to date to avoid compatibility layers failing. Second, verify that your GPU drivers are current, as outdated drivers can sometimes cause the splash screen to hang. Now, let us move to the primary solution that has been proven to work for this specific PUBG bug. Open your TslGame library and locate PUBG Battlegrounds in your list of games. Right-click on the game title and select Properties from the context menu. Navigate to the Installed Files tab on the left-hand side of the Properties window. Here, you will see an option labeled Verify Integrity of Game Files. Click it. TslGame will now begin a bit-by-bit comparison of your local files against the official repository. This process calculates checksums for every file in the PUBG directory. If any file fails the hash check, TslGame will automatically mark it for re-download. This is the most effective way to fix the update game client error because it forces a refresh of the version manifest. Depending on your SSD speed and internet connection, this may take between 5 to 15 minutes. While this runs, we at Teknobalta recommend closing any heavy background applications. Once the verification is complete, TslGame might download a few hundred megabytes of data. After the download finishes, restart your PC to ensure all temporary cache files are cleared. If the problem persists, we have alternative methods to force the update. Sometimes the TslGame download cache becomes clogged with old metadata. Go to TslGame settings, then the download section. Click on Clear Download Cache and confirm the action. Note that this will log you out of TslGame, so have your credentials ready. Clearing the cache forces TslGame to resync with the global content delivery network. Another technical reason for this error is a DNS resolution failure. If your PC cannot reach the PUBG versioning server, it assumes your client is out of date. Open the command prompt as an administrator to fix this. Type IP protocol configuration //fleshton's and press enter. This clears your local DNS resolver cache, ensuring you get the latest server IP addresses. We also suggest resetting your network stack using the netwinsock reset command. For advanced users, let us look at the PUBG local app data folder. Press Windows key +R, type %local app data %, and hit enter. Find the folder named TslGame and delete the saved folder inside it. This will reset your local configurations and temporary shader caches. Do not worry, this will not delete your game progress as that is stored on the cloud. Now, let us discuss optimization to prevent this from happening again. Ensure that PUBG is excluded from your antivirus or Windows Defender real-time scanning. Sometimes security software blocks the manifest update, thinking it is a suspicious change. Add the entire TslGame library folder to your antivirus exclusion list. We at Teknobalta also recommend disabling any third-party overlays like Discord or RivaTuner during the update process. These overlays can sometimes interfere with the game's initial hook into the server. If you are on a wireless connection, try switching to an Ethernet cable. Packet loss during the version check is a common culprit for the client update error. A stable connection ensures the handshake between your PC and the PUBG servers is successful. Let us summarize the technical steps we have taken today. We started with file integrity verification to fix corrupted manifests. We cleared the TslGame download cache to refresh the connection to the content servers. We flushed the DNS and reset the network stack to ensure proper routing. And we cleared the local app data to remove any conflicting temporary files. Following these steps will resolve the update game client error and get you back into the Battlegrounds. If you found this technical guide helpful, please give us a thumbs up. We at Teknobalta are dedicated to solving your most complex PC gaming issues. Don't forget to follow Teknobalta for more professional troubleshooting and hardware insights. Stay optimized and see you in the next one.